Does the 2023 BMW X4M come to you as an SUV or sports sedan? Its styling is decidedly sporty with the fast rear roofline bulging fenders, but the long sitting position ultimately betrays it as an SUV. It's based on the more angular and more traditional-looking X3. It's an SUV, after all. Still, the performance of the X4M is purely a sports car. You can expect explosive performance from the gorgeous turbocharged inline-six that produces 503 horsepower in competition appearance. In our test, it accelerated the X4M to 100 km per hour in as little as 3.2 seconds. To keep up with its brutal acceleration, the X4M is equipped with a stiff spring suspension tuned to maximize grip in corners, though it will detract from ride comfort. Aside from its brutal ride, the rest of the X4M is top-notch and befits its premium price tag. However, if you want to move people and loads at the same speed, you may find the X3M a more practical package. Both models come with a turbocharged inline-six, standard all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The X4M's engine produces 473 horsepower, but the competition model is sought after 503. When we tested the competition on our test track, it accelerated to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds, delivering brutal acceleration. This beats the X4's main competitor, the Mercedes-AMG GLC 63, which accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.6 seconds. In fact, the X4M competition even outstripped BMW's famous M3 sports sedan, partly due to the added traction from the standard all-wheel drive system. The M3 in question was the rear-wheel drive version. All-wheel drive was added as an option in 2022. The driving character of the standard X4 was already sharp, and the suspension retuning of the M section made for an even harder ride and dialed in. Even more impressive in cornering grip.